What's up guys, General Weapon back with another video, and today we are going to be playing Flee the Facility as you see here. Okay, so I know a lot of people played this game, but well, a lot of people play this game and I've seen videos of YouTubers play it, so I thought I might give it a try. Okay, so let's go in right now. Okay. Flee the facility. Sorry, my finger gets in the way. Here, let me turn it. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I am in the game right now. Okay, let's spectate. Well, that's boring. Oh, there's that person. Okay, game results, Beast Survival Snow. Okay, so that was the Beast last one. Okay, so guys, this is the only Christmas video that will be made. Well, close to Christmas video I'm gonna make. Every before to after Christmas, one video will be made in December. Only one because of the Christmas tradition. So yeah. Apparently we are going to Facility Zero by Mr. Windy. Sorry if my head is just like a little that way, because that's what I used to read stuff. So yeah. Also, sorry if I'm snorting and stuff. I'm actually kinda sick. No, I do not have COVID. It's just like your average cold. Okay, it's loading. Okay, I'm a survivor. Let's go. Okay. For the beast, hack and view just to exit. I can do that. Oh, I love these rooms. These are the best. If you open these, then you can go like over here, over here, over here. You can go over here, just trick the beast. Then if you open this door, it just leads here. Oh shoot. Okay, so I have not found the computer yet, but I think I will find one. Okay. So the beast is not there. This is so scary. Yo, I'm literally scared right now. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna follow this banana person. And a banana person. So yeah, let's go. No computer in here. Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god. That flippin' scared me, yo. got me stuck. No! Help me! Okay, I'm actually gonna type that. I'm gonna type in help me. Okay, we're good. I typed in help me just now. Okay, let me just do that. No, they didn't. If it was my new friend Phrase or something. Frayers? If it was my new friend Frayers, then yes, it would be. Oh, thank God. No! I'm gonna die! No! Oh, there we go. It's help me. Well, no point now. I'm dead. Okay, moving on. Let's play a different game. Give me a... Oh, okay. Give me a second to find one. Okay, so I have found a new game to play. It is called Christmas Work at a Pizza Place. Okay. Turn this way. Nope. I want to cook, so I'm gonna become a cook. Why do I have a snowball? Joining the game today. What? Okay, so I am not gonna be a cook. Okay, where's the moving button? I literally can't move. Okay, so I'm going to fix this problem. I'll be right back. Okay, so this game is not letting me move, so we're gonna have to leave. Alright, let's see. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hitting that like button will mean so much to me. Also, hit that notification bell if you want more videos. Okay, so let's see here. Which one? This one. Don't press the button. I played this game a lot of times, so I hope it's changed. Don't press the button. Wait, if it's called don't press the button, then why don't people press the button? Okay. I think someone just got killed. It's time for a trivia question. How many eggs are there in avocado? You chose the correct answer. 10 points. Yay! Okay, I'm back. Oh God! What is this? What is this? Oh my God, it's Spleef. No, I lost. That guy was still running. Oh man, he got to there first. Oh, it's time for a trivia question. God, the same question. Let's see. What can I buy? It's equal 200 coins. Okay. Going slow. Oh my god, bomb! Bombs everywhere! Bombs away! I was standing in the corner and see what happens. Oh wow, I'm actually dodging all the balls. I mean, bombs. Okay. So I have 30 coins right now, guys. Oh, get ready to fight with laser guns. Oh, I think I already lost. Man. Oh, at least I can get coins and diamonds. That's an advantage. Beep, 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 beep. No! Fine. Robux. Okay, how much is this? Oh. Oh, it's Doge. Doge. Doge, 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 Doge. Doge, 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 Doge. Goodbye, Doge. Oh, man. Oh. Goodbye. Okay, now this is fun. Oh. Aw, man. She lasered me. Okay. Okay. Slow down, giant Doge. Oh, man.
Hey, Vsauce,
Vsauce? Watch out, lasers. Oh, shoot. Boulder. Yay, I did it! But that girl got me. No! Diamond. Oh, dang it, I died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where did it come from? Okay. Get ready to push each other off with a blow dryer. Blow, 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 blow. The blow. Oh no! That was actually kind of fun. Okay. It's over. The lava is running. Hurry to the top. Oh. No! It didn't let me jump! Let me guess, no one survived. Let me put this in. Okay, there we go. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Go, go, go! We're just kicking it off the edge. No! Score the goal. Yeah. It's stuck. I think it's stuck. Okay, there we go. Oh, he failed. No one scored. Yay! Huh, boo. What happens if you get in? Oh, big head. Big. Green. Oh man. No, that one's my favorite. Literally, if one falls and you're on the correct one, get off of yours and go to the one that fell. Can you not jump on top of people? What the heck? Sorry. Okay, there we go. Oh man, he got the diamond. What platform? Oh, that. Oh my god! How? I didn't even see any platform. I did it! Hey, big guy. Button. Yay.
The most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. Fine and a nine. Next to a fine and a nine.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm spamming it. Spam. Spam. Time's up. Let's see what. 71 times.
Hey, Vsauce. Michael here.
Hey, Vsauce. Michael here. Oh god, oh god. Oh no. So that's where he came from. Beep. Yay. I'm gonna follow this girl. She seems to know what she's doing. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Okay, let's try this way. Not that way. This way. Okay. Oh, this way. This way, this way, this way. Nope, this way. So this way. This way, this way, this way. Am I actually doing this maze? No way. I think you go this way. This way. Go here, go here. Nope, that's a dead end. This maze is so hard. playing mind tricks with me. Nope. I think I just went to the same dead end as that girl. Okay. Wait, what the heck? No, that's the way I came from. This way. God, this is so hard. Nope, I didn't finish this. I will accept it. What is the timer doing? Literally, just look at it. It's right there. Oh, that's weird. How do I have one bar? Well guys, that is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please press that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Then, if you're not new, please hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and hit that like button. Let's try to get to 50,000 likes. If we get that much, then I will actually play a different game, like, I don't know, crafting a building and try to summon Herobrine. Alright, see you guys in the next video.